if you don't have rubber gloves to go ahead and put in your hands and protect them from getting dirty and so forth, common uses of a rubber glove, grab these doggy mittens, all right, these doggy poop bags. And when I'm at the park, I grab these, keep these handy because I can just use them like a mitten itself if you don't have a rubber glove, okay? So here's another instance. So I'm taking the trash out. You don't want to touch the trash can, it's all nasty. Works just as good. And the good thing about it is once you're done, just like for dog poop, all you do is turn it inside out and you can throw it away. Let's look at some other uses for the doggy poop bag. If you don't have rubber gloves, you can use this doggy bag and put your hand in it there. It protects it. So if you're doing any type of cleaning, like this oven here, you're not going to get it on your hand, and when you're done, just like a rubber glove, you just throw it away. Another good use is if you have any issues with your toilet tank, you can go ahead, let's remove the top portion. And then instead of getting your hands all wet inside here, again, if you don't have a rubber glove, but sometimes rubber gloves only go wrist high, this actually works really well because now it's a larger rubber glove. You get into the various components here and work around. And then when you're done, all you're gonna do is get rid of the bag. You're completely dry. Another purpose of the doggy poop bag is I keep these, at least one or two, in my car, in the little compartment or my glove compartment or down into the door. And you can use it as a trash bag, but you also can use it as a puke bag or a vomit bag. If your passengers have motion sickness, it's perfect in there. Seal it up just like a doggy bag, tie a knot into it, and then you just set it aside until you're ready to throw it away. All right, one last area that you can use these bags for is for gardening. So if you're pulling weeds, like we have a bunch of these here, and you don't want to get dirt in your fingernails or all over your hands, there it is. There's your little mitten. You can start just pulling all of your weeds, dirt, and so forth. Let's get down in there and get a couple of those. There you go. So we have all of that. And then all you do, just like the doggy poop, you grip it, and you're just gonna fold it inside out. You can just tie a knot into it. Perfect. Your hands are completely clean. Just some tips from Scott's Top Tips. We'll see you on the next one.